Welcome back to 360 Virtual Autos, where the rubber meets the digital road. Today, we're rolling deep into the soul of the streets with a ride that's as much about style as it is about statement. The black with red interior, 1962 Lincoln Continental Hardtop Lowrider. Step inside, and you're riding in a world where every detail tells a story of elegance and pride. That red interior, it's not just for show. It's a throne for kings and queens of the concrete jungle, a nod to the Continental's proud heritage, mixed with the bold spirit of South Central. This ain't just any Lincoln Continental. It's a symbol of the streets, wrapped in midnight black and dressed inside with the kind of red that makes your heart skip a beat. It's a masterpiece that speaks the language of luxury and legacy, all while keeping it real with the roots of the lowrider culture. Every inch of this Continental, from its iconic suicide doors to the shimmering chrome and bespoke rims, is a tribute to craftsmanship and the spirit of California's car culture, a culture that thrives on freedom, expression, and the open road. But what really sets this beauty apart is its rhythm, the heartbeat of the lowrider scene. With hydraulics tuned to perfection, it cruises with a grace that turns heads and commands respect on every block. It's not just about the ride, it's about the statement you make with every dip and bounce. If you felt the thrill of the ride and the call of the open road, let's keep this journey going. Hit that like button to show your love for classic rides and scenic drives. Subscribe to 360 Virtual Autos and become part of our ever-growing family of automotive aficionados. Don't keep the adventure to yourself. Share this video with friends and fellow enthusiasts. Until tomorrow, keep driving.